Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we put this one cone here, and now we have like this. Next, we need to use about integration by pass. So I will put u equals to this one. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So that means we do first derivative of s squared, and the value of bound will change for t. So s squared with the power 2, we have s to the power of 4 minus, because this is about the bottom in here. So we do first derivative of number 1, and the value of number 1 will change for t. So we do first derivative of s squared, and we have 2s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. So now we just have only 2s e to the power of negative s to the power of 4. Next, we put dv. That is about s and ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s squared over number 2. And now we have I. So we have u multiplied by v. So that should be like this. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, and now we have negative number 2, and we have the integration from 0 to number 1. So s squared multiplied with s, we have s to the power of 3. Now if I put number 1 cone here and here, the integration from number 1 to number 1, you got number 0 in here. If we put number 0 cone here, I think you got number 0. That means the value of this one equals to number 0. And now we just concentrate about this integration. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to negative s to the power of 4. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 4s to the power of 3 ds. Because we just have only negative number 2. This is 1 ds. This one, that's about du. Sorry about that. because we just have only negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. And now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here and we have u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, we put number 1 cone here and we have u equals to negative number 1. And now we have like this. Number 0 we keep the same. Number 1 we change by negative number 1. This one we change by u. Negative 2s to the power of 3 ds we change by 1 over 2 du. And now we have like this. Now I will put this one cone here and number 0 cone here. And now we simplify like this. Next, number 1, that is about e over e. We do common denominator. Now we put about 1 minus e over 2e. And this is the final answer. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.